Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to update you the levels which we are provided for a Axis Bank for this April month contract. So how nicely the stock is moving. So and how we are going to get profit using our advanced option trading strategy. So that is the thing which I am going to update in this video. So we provided the levels for a Axis Bank on 30th of last month to trade on the April series. So how we can uh, do the trading based on our advanced option trading strategy. So how the advanced option trading strategy will generate you the right profit for this month, that I'm going to see in this video, and what should be the trading strategies so that will give you benefited from the advanced option trading strategies. So anyone who want to learn my advanced option trading strategies, you can directly contact the number provided in the description. You can learn more about advanced option trading strategies. So this is the video which I mentioned on April 2020 contract, the positional trading strategy, which having 99% working. So the same strategy, what are the levels which I derived. So this is my old video, and you can go through that. It was updated on 30th April. And anyone who want to join my paid classes, or anyone who want to follow me on my Telegram channel, you can go through this link and follow me Telegram channel. This particular link you can go and follow me on Telegram. And anyone who ready to open a trading account with me, so use this link to open a trading account with me and get open a trading account. You can do with me and lot of my support. So let's come to the video now. So Axis Bank. So for the study, while I'm taking the Axis Bank option trading strategy for April 2020, the positional trading strategy, which gives you 99% accuracy or working system. So how I am going to get this kind of levels based on the historical and implied volatility, so which we have already updated on our videos. This is what the levels about the Axis Bank, so that we have already updated. So we are expecting levels for this stock. So either it may be a downside or either it may be upside, but what is the different here? We are expecting the level. Whenever the level comes, we are going to get a profit, so that we already know. Understand how many points there will be a movement in the stock, so that will give me a return. So let's show you. For example, we are paying around 104 rupees as a total premium. Okay, this is the 104 rupees our premium when the stock will have to move 144. That is the minimum expected range. So there will be a 40 point expected profit if I do the strategy in this particular stock in both the sides. Understand? In both that sides, I'm going to buy around 104. That is the total premium. If I do the strategy around 52.5, so I'm going to get the profit of 40 points. So you can suggest you the long straddle. So for example, if you are taking a long straddle, right now you are in the profit of somewhere the 40 points what you are expected. So right now see how the trading system works and what is the current scenario. And before that, let's check that the expected movement. So what we are expected in a particular stock, so that happened. So when our expected thing happen in the market, we are going to make money from the our trade. So these are the minimum expected level, 469.5 and 272.5. It is a both are downside expectation, and this is the upside expectation, and these are minimum level expectation, minimum. And which I expected maximum level, that is 515, and downside which I am expected 226. So these are my expectation. So when my expected case happen, how I am going to make money in my strategy, that I have already updated. So let's see that the same system how it generate you the profit, whether we are updating on the video, live video. That time the price was 52.5 and 52. Let's check again. So when we are taking the trade, That time the stock option prices were 52.5 and 52 and 52.5. Let's do that. Yes, 52.5. This was we are taking at 380 call option. Okay, 380 and 360. Yeah, we are taken. Why? Because of 380 call option and 360 put option, because that time the market was trading 370. So simply I was taken 360. I'll update you here also. So what I'm going to do in this particular trade. So currently IV is 107 and the expiry contract is 34/2020. Here I'll take the scenario 360 call option and 360 put options. So these are the strategy which I was taken on the day of let's show you the day. So this is the price when the 27th March the contract were trading 362 the end of the day. That because why I'm taking a 27th price, because that is the expiry happened by 26th. The next day I was taking the price, and 26 is the expiry. The market was trading 345 in between the strike prices. So 27th March I was taking 362. It's near about the same strike price. The strike price which is around 360 is the exact strike price. So here I'm going to apply 360 call plus put. So understand, and important thing, so whenever you have profitability in this particular stock or any index, so you have to understand first whether will go for a buy or not. Okay, then only the strategy should be best. On 27th the call option were trading 58.55, and the same time the put option of 360 where it is trading how many 56.10. that price which I updated here 58.15 and 56.1. so these are the price which I taken from on the day of 27th closing price, because we are going to take a trade in positional way. So we take the closing prices of new expiry. Okay, so now you see that the position where we generate you the maximum profit of near about 1.13 lakhs. So how much margin is required for this trade? Here it's showing a 3,45,000 is the margin which is required, because we are paying the premium. And this is the strategy which I updated on my video. So 3:2 strategy. This is 3:2 strategy. We generate up to 32% return on my capital. My investment required for the trade is 3,45,000. Now my profit is 1,13,000. What I decided this trade, my view is bullish on the stock. Okay, here I was taken the 3:2 trading strategy which will give me a profit, and the same scenario if I do opposite way. So I am expecting there will be a bullishness in the market, sorry, bearishness in the market. So last example which I shown for you, that is what bullish view, and this is my bearish view scenario. So when I expected the bearishness in the particular market, I am expecting the bearishness in the market. Now it's running a loss of 28,000. There will be a lot of chances to reach our profit. Why? Because of what we are expecting in the particular option, that is around 488. Yesterday it made a high price, but what is our minimum expected level? So in a higher way 515. There will be another 20 points is the movement expected. So if it exactly reaches, means we are not going to lose money and we will end up with the profit also. And again another scenario, the same option which went up to 140, that call option, let's show you, and closes where it is around 125. It was 125, another 140 is the high. So almost 15 points. If we are holding a 2 lots, 15 into 2, it's almost 30 points, which is around 1,200 lot size. It is around 36,000. So even yesterday itself the position, while it make a high IST level, so that time we are going to make profit on the same trade also, because Here this option is trading 120 and this was trading 3.9, but in this scenario it went to maximum of even 0 also, there will be no issue. But here another 15 point is the premium which we available at the highest level of the point. So that time another 30,000, so we are not getting this much of loss. It is a near no loss like scenario. But what is the thing you have to understand, once you applied this strategy on your direction, sure shot, you are going to make money. So what our expectation, so in the starting of the month, the stock will either reach this particular level or it come to this particular level. So that is what our expected, and that our expected thing is happen, and we are going to get a huge benefit from this kind of trades. And anyone who traded by a long straddle strategy on the same stock, so that is also be giving what we are expecting. We are expecting the profit up to somewhere 40%. Now here right now it is at 12% return, which is your investment record for the trade is 1,37,000. Now it is giving you 16,000 or 17,000 profit with the 12% return. So in this particular option which gives you a long straddle benefit. So this way, using our calculative levels, we can, because this month I have updated only 2 stocks, one is Axis Bank, another one is I think Indus Bank something. So I have the more probability on the stocks which is will give you the best return for this month. One is Axis and another one is Indus Bank, I think. So here now Axis Bank will reaches our target price near about. So once our target price reaches, it will give you even more return if the stock moves upside. Okay, now still the stock is moving up. So what, when we are taken the study on 27, this is the price of 360, that is the closing price 359. Initially it goes down, but and now finally 481. So we are waiting for a 550, 515. So when the level is reached, so we are going to get some good amount from this particular trade. So this way we are approaching. So we have the another methods to apply our trading strategies that we are teaching on our paid lessons. So anyone who interested to take my paid classes, you are welcome to join with me. And anyone who ready to open a trading account, you can open a trading account using this strategy builders. Initially you can track your strategy, what it gives you, profit or loss, how much risk and everything you can analyze in this particular thing. And then you decided, and whether another 2:1 strategy also you use this site, so you will be getting lot of benefit. If you are doing the 2:1 2 call 1 put options, which will give you lot of profit also. So whenever you understand what is the profitability, so 40% profitability, it gives you more than 40% profitability. But if you are doing in a put side, if you are expected put side, if you are adding a more lot in put and less lot in call option, so you are right now you are running a loss of 49,000. So comparatively 3:2 strategy, non-directional is the best, and 1:2 is the directional trade should be the best. So when you understand this kind of trade opportunities, so there will be a lot of benefit you can apply in our live market. That's about this video, and thanks for being with me. And anyone who not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel. And thanks for being with me, and thank you very much.